Welcome to our special 2024 guide to the most thrilling and awe-inspiring Niagara Falls Canada Tours. If you're ready to witness one of nature's most spectacular displays, stick around as we dive into your next great adventure. Whether you're seeking an up-close encounter with the falls or a convenient pickup from your city, we've got you covered. Let's explore the top Niagara Falls tours that promise an unforgettable experience. First up, we have the iconic Niagara Falls Boat Tours. Prepare to get misty as you venture into the heart of the falls. It's the ultimate way to feel the thundering roars and see the powerful cascades up close. And yes, ponchos are included. Living or staying in Toronto, no problem. Jump aboard a comfortable coach and relax as you're whisked away from the city hustle to the serene majesty of Niagara Falls. Its convenience meets natural beauty. Desire a touch of exclusivity? Our Niagara Falls private tours are your ticket to a custom-tailored experience. Imagine exploring the falls at your own pace with your own expert guide. Perfect for those special occasions or simply to indulge in a bit of luxury. Brampton adventurers, we haven't forgotten you. Hop on our comfortable tour buses right from your doorstep and set off for an unforgettable day at the falls. It's all about starting your journey with ease and excitement. Mississauga, get ready for a seamless escape to the wonders of Niagara. With convenient pickups, you're just a ride away from the roaring waters. It's the perfect weekend getaway or day trip to break from the routine. Oakville, your gateway to Niagara Falls, is at your doorstep. Join our tour, sit back and enjoy the scenic route to one of the world's most stunning natural wonders. This is your chance to unwind and soak in the beauty. Hamilton, why wait? Your journey to the falls starts here. Experience the ease of joining our tour right from your city and discover the magic of Niagara Falls without any of the hassle. Adventure is calling. Already in the heart of wine country or staying near the falls? We've got local tours that explore the best of Niagara Falls and Niagara on the Lake. From vineyards to vistas, enrich your local adventure with us. Richmond Hill, step out from the city's tranquility and dive into the exhilarating experience of Niagara Falls. Our tours promise a day of exploration and wonder with the comfort of starting in your own community. Milton, your adventure to Niagara Falls is just around the corner. Embark on a scenic drive that leads you to the thundering and majestic falls. It's an experience that brings together the best of nature and convenience. Markham, join us for a journey from the urban to the extraordinary. Our tours from Markham offer a seamless transition to the natural splendor of Niagara Falls. Discover the wonders just beyond your city. Scarborough, your passage to Niagara's grandeur awaits. With direct pickups, embark on a hassle-free journey to one of Canada's most iconic landmarks. It's an unforgettable experience right from your neighborhood. There you have it. From city pickups to private tours, the splendor of Niagara Falls is waiting for you. No matter where your journey begins, an adventure of a lifetime is just a tour away, so why wait? Discover the beauty, feel the power, and make those unforgettable memories today. Thanks for joining us on this journey to Niagara Falls. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.